Hello, I am Reverend Sharon Renee. I am the spiritual leader for Tyler Unity Center, and thank you for joining us virtually today. And I want to first go over, we have the Christ candle that is lit. And Matthew 5:14, Christ says, "You are the light of the world." And when Jesus said those words, he was letting us know that when we were connected to our wonderful Christ energy, we light others. And the wonderful thing about a candle is that it can light 200 other candles and it not lose its flame or not diminish its spark. And this is the reference for unity, and lighting the candle is to signify that we are each a light, and that as we hold steady in our faith and our love and our divine connection, we also help to illuminate the world and helping others to see their light. And so I thought it was very important to share that with you today. Now let's go over the daily word. And the daily word today is power. I take dominion over my thoughts, words, and actions. The power of God protects me. Today I hear with renewed understanding this line from James Dillett Freeman's prayer for protection. In a growing awareness of oneness with my source, I realize that the power of God works through me and as me rather than simply in and for me. I embody divine power by choosing words that affirm the truth, that I am a spiritual being as I navigate the valleys and peaks of my human experience. By expressing my power, I am claiming dominion over my words and thoughts. I affirm statements of truth while releasing negative thoughts and ideas. I think and speak with the authority of my Christ presence. For God did not give us a spirit of cowardice, but rather a spirit of power, of love, and self-discipline. 2 Timothy 1:7. All right, so I'd like you to focus your attention on the Christ candle as I say this prayer of protection from unity, and I take us into a meditation. I am safe and secure in the light of God. I am protected by a consciousness of truth. By the power of the Christ in me, I am directed and protected. I trust in God within. I am protected and assured of continual well-being. Now take this moment and close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Filling your lungs and release. Expand the lungs again, breathe in deep. And release. And one more time, affirming that God is. And with an exhale, I am. Allow yourself to go within to that sacred place where you connect with the divine. And feel these words as they move through you. My mind is at peace and my body is relaxed. Light fills my body, mind, and emotions, and I am flooded with good health. My body is a miraculous instrument working in perfect harmony. I am healthy and strong and receive everything I need. I enjoy a healthy mental diet of good, positive thoughts. I easily adjust to life's challenges with flexibility and bounce back better than ever. Life naturally flows throughout my system, feeding my body and mind with vibrant energy. My body is naturally in tune with nature and the world around me and operates in perfect harmony. I claim this as absolute. I claim this as truth. Amen.